Dennis, what are we doing?
Okay, that's hot. Okay, we're going hiking.
Are you excited?
Not really,
Why not?
because I will get tired on the end of hikes.
It's very short hike.
You get tired of hikes?
Yeah,
Can
but
I
now,
please have
but,
some
but this
water,
time I'm
Yeah.
really
Papa
excited
with the water.
because
Okay.
it's very short. And right now we're going to a waterfall.
Going to a waterfall! Yay!
Excuse me. For me, it's the longer the better.
No, sure the better. Yay! Okay, that was the first waterfall on the trip. Everyone got a bunch of pictures. What? What happened?
There are no more waterfalls.
No, there's one more at the end. There's got to be some more. This was the first one.
Around? You sure about that?
No, I'm not sure.
Yeah, me too.
I know I've been here. I'm not sure of anything. Anyway, we got a bunch of pictures and such, and now we're gonna keep going on the trail, see what else we'll find. Middle. Wait, Dennis, what do we got?
Witches.
We have witches, so what do we have to do?
Stay down.
We have to stay down. We have to stay down so witches don't get us.
Walk with me.
Okay.
Oh man.
Okay, and Dennis, I think we're past witches. We're good.
They're
We're
flying.
They're flying?
Yeah, but few of them.
Don't they just come out at night or during the day too? I didn't think the witches are gonna fly around now. Shoot them, shoot them. Okay.
All done.
All done?
Yeah, but now I squished
Good
them
job,
all.
all the witches. Like now we can continue going forward. Wait, what do you think of this waterfall? Tell me.
It's gigantic, enormous.
You like this one more? This is the bigger one?
Yeah, look how tall it is. Look how big.
Yeah, it is giant. I like it too. Now that we enjoyed waterfall from the bottom, it's time we enjoy it from the top. Let's go upstairs. Wait, are we there yet? We're not there yet. We're almost there. Wait, Dennis, where are you going?
Just
You know, it's actually kind of disappointing from up here. You can't really see anything. I thought you might be able to like look at the top part of it, but you can't really see much. So I think there's more up there. It's called a closed area. Not supposed to go there, but people are going up there. So maybe that's where we gotta go to check it out. But from up here, not that awesome. How's the view from the top?
Not as good as from the bottom.
Not as good as from the bottom?
Yeah, waterfalls are always viewed better from the bottom.
Yeah. Okay. a restricted area. You're not supposed to come here. Okay, give me your hand. Not a dirty hand. Oh. No, no, go. Не уходи. Andrew, wait. Andrew, stop where you are. Okay, we made it up here to the restricted area. This is the closed area. Don't tell anyone we're here, okay? Shh. Let's see if the view is better here. I don't think it is, but we'll just check it out. Is it better?
Wait.
Смотри за Денисом. Okay, I'm gonna say this is not better view, so we're just gonna head back down and get some water or something. It's kind of hot. Yeah. Okay, on the way back, Andrew's gonna be the leader.
There.
Okay, there's a really cool looking tree that we can go up on. We're gonna go like climb the tree. Yay! And now we're officially done. Okay, Mom did the tree climbing. Denise, what are you doing? What are you touching the camera for? Don't touch the camera.
Come on, Dennis, let's go.
go.
We're going for.
Ты с деревом здороваешься?
Да.
You like the tree?
Hi, Mr. Tree.
Tanya insists that we're not turning back and we go further on I don't know if this looks like a trail. I don't know if this is really a trail or not trail, or people were just walking. I don't really know, but it looks nice, so we're gonna walk a little bit and see what's further, because the trail was really short, so might as well walk some more. Pine cone. Okay, I think it's been fun. I think we're gonna head back to the car. That was fun time hiking, not too long, a little warm, but yeah. Okay, back to the car. Yay, we're down. You had fun, Dennis? Good? Had fun?
Yeah, what?
But what?
Let's get horseback.
Quick. Wait, where are we? Okay, after some quick lunch with pizza, but kids were denied DQ this time, so they're a little upset. We are heading out onto Dairy Queen is DQ. Anyway, we're at some other spot. We've never been here. We're just gonna check it out. There's like a little lake and there's a short hike. We're just gonna check it out to see if it's interesting. Maybe there's water. We can throw some rocks in the water. You know, everyone loves throwing rocks in the water, right? Come on, let's throw some rocks in the water. Yay! First thing to do, we gotta look at the map and see where this is called a hidden lake. And I mean, it's not really well hidden, right? I mean, it's right there in the map. But I guess we can.
The lake goes there.
I don't know. We're just gonna go to the water and see.
There.
This looks like kind of a swampy lake here. Okay, we got one more tree climbing. All right, let's watch Tanya go. Okay, now everyone went except Dennis, but I think it's too much for Dennis. Okay, that's enough. Let's keep hiking. Scary woods. no one cares about vibrations that go into the camera. I was hoping everyone could just step over it, but everyone stepped on the log. You know, no one's thinking about filmmaking here.
Let's go.
You know, it feels like it's about to start raining. I feel like a few drops here. I'm a little surprised Tanya here is not freaking out. Kind of starting to rain. We're halfway through the hike. We got like...
No, we're not. Not even.
We're not even halfway. We got over a mile to go. And it's about to start raining. When is the time to start panicking? I don't know. Tanya will let us know. But right now, like she said, her phone is now waterproof, so she doesn't actually mind if it starts raining.
However, that giant thing is not waterproof.
Right. So this big camera is not entirely waterproof.
Payback time.
It's okay, I'll get another one.
What?
Okay, we're shooting. Got him. We have to guard the rear from Ruther, so Ruther Star Wars character.
We got the probe.
We got him. Me and Dennis got in the rear, and they got the front. They set in the pace, so we gotta make sure no one attacks us, no one sneaks up on us from behind. So, right, Dennis?
Yeah, we had the probe.
Yeah. Yay, we're in some kind of field. There's a bathroom. There's mud everywhere. Genius! Okay. Alright, I think we're finally done. We got to Weir. I think it's called Weir or something like that, like a dam, but yeah. Oh man. Are you tired?
No.
Are you kids tired? You look a little sweaty over here. Are you tired?
Kind of.
Alright, let's go to the car. Okay. I don't know what happened to the shirt over here. Somebody was doing burnout in the mud. Oh yeah, so we walked around this whole lake, right? We started like over there somewhere, walked all the way around, came back, and now we're right here out this lake. And we just got to get to our car over there. I think it was fun. At least it's not just woods, you know. When at least you walk along like the lake, it's interesting. Scenery changes. You could like, you know, see things. And when you're just hiking through the woods, it's like super boring. So that's why lake hiking is way better than like woods and such. So rain's getting stronger and stronger. And Tanya over there, she's not panicking for some reason. Well, the reason is her phone is waterproof. But lucky for us, the car is right there. Yeah, we're at our car, and whoa, it's actually getting really wet now.
Okay,
So
we need to hit the throttle.
take the throttle. Yeah, I think it's been a fun adventure.
Man,
Yeah.
you can
Made it. Whoa. Okay, yeah, been fun trip. Good hike around the lake. Didn't get too wet. Well,
have to go to DQ.
oh yeah, time to go and get some ice cream is what kids are saying. I don't know, but anyway, see you guys on the next adventures.